Good morning students, welcome back for your mathematics class. In today's class, let us learn how to add integers, right? That is nothing but an addition of integers here. So, let's begin. Let us take an example. Example 1. Let us see how to add two positive integers, plus 5 and plus 4. We'll add these two numbers. In between these two numbers, we'll write addition symbol and this plus 5. Okay, then plus 4, plus into plus, it will be always plus, and this 5. You can see these two numbers having here same symbol, isn't it? So we need to add these two numbers. 4 plus 5, it is 9. Bigger number sign we need to write. Bigger number sign means out of these two numbers, which number is bigger? 5 is bigger, right? So we need to write the symbol of that. That is plus. Next we will see how to add one positive integer and one negative integer. Plus 5 and minus 4. We'll add these two numbers. Plus 5, we add the addition symbol into bracket minus 4. Then we'll write this plus 5 as it is. Plus into minus, it will be always minus, and we'll write this 4 as it is. Now these two having different sign. Different sign is nothing but unlike signs. So we need to subtract them. 5 minus 4, it is 1. Bigger number sign plus. Then third example, we'll take minus 6 and plus 2. Minus 6 plus 2, isn't it? So minus 6 plus into plus 2. Again they are having the different sign, so we'll need to subtract. 6 minus 2, 4. Bigger number sign, it is minus. Okay, next, before that students, I think we'll see some tricks here. That tricks are about multiplication of two signs here. Then plus into plus is always equals to plus. Then plus into minus, it will be always equals to minus. And minus into plus, it will be minus. And minus into minus, it will be plus, right? Then please remember this trick, so it will help while calculating. Okay, next we'll take, here we learned how to add two positive integers, one positive, one negative and one positive. Next we'll see how to add two negative integers. Okay, so minus 9 plus of minus 5. Now we'll keep minus 9 as it is. Plus into minus, you know here. Plus into minus, it is minus, isn't it? Here also I have written same. Plus into minus, minus I have written. Yes or no? So we'll see here, it is minus 5. Then having the same sign, so we'll add them. 9 plus 5, it is 14. Bigger number sign, minus, right? Then some more example we'll take. Minus 10, minus 14. We'll add these two numbers. Minus 10 plus minus 14. Minus 10 plus into minus. Plus into minus, it is minus 14. Okay, we'll add these two numbers because they're having the same sign. It is 24. Then bigger number sign, it is minus, isn't it? So this is how we need to add two integers. Like this, we can also add 3 integers, 4 integers, some more integers. Next we will learn how to add 3 integers. Minus 9, minus 5 and 2. Then minus 9 plus minus 5 plus 2. We'll keep this minus 9 as it is. Plus into minus, it is minus. Minus 5 plus 2. then like signs, so we need to add 9 plus 5 is 14, bigger number sign minus, and this plus 2. Okay, unlike sign we need to minus, 14 minus 2 it is 12, bigger number sign minus. Okay, this is how we need to add three integers. Next we'll see one more example. 10 minus 10 minus 12 and minus 5. We'll add these three numbers, that is equals to minus 10 plus minus 12 plus minus 5. Okay, then we'll keep this minus 10 as it is, then plus into minus, minus 12 plus into minus, minus 5. These two having like signs, or you can also consider these two numbers, or also you can consider these two numbers here. First we'll consider these two numbers. Minus 10 minus 12 we need to add because having the same sign. 10 plus 12 it is 22, bigger number sign minus, then this minus 5. Okay, then again they having the same sign, so we'll add them. It will be 27, bigger number sign minus, right? This is the minus 27 is the answer when we add these three integers. Next we will learn what is additive inverse. Additive inverse. Additive inverse, it is a when we add two integers, we should get answer as the 0, right? Then we can say that those two numbers are additive inverse to each other. We'll see examples. We'll take plus 3 and minus 3. I will add these two numbers. I will get as a 0, right? Isn't it? So we can say that these two are the additive inverse to each other. Means additive inverse for 3 it is minus 3, and additive inverse for minus 3 it will be 3, right? Similarly we'll take some more examples. If they ask what is the additive inverse of minus 4, it will be 4, right? Because when you add these two numbers you will get answer as 0. Then if they give us write the additive inverse of 6, it will be minus 6, because when you add these two numbers you will get answer as 0. Okay, I think what is concept of additive inverse is clear for you all. Next we will learn addition of integers on a number line. Means we will learn how to represent addition of integers on a number line. We'll take a number line. We'll mark the point on it. This is the number line here. We'll mark a point. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here we need to represent an addition of numbers on the number line. If they ask us to add 2 plus 2 and 3, represent this on a number line, right? How to represent? First we need to check that whether the given number are positive or negative. Here these two numbers are positive. This is plus 2 plus 3. Plus 2 means from 0, every time you know positive will always lie right to the 0, isn't it? So from 0 we need to take 2 steps, 1 step and 2 step, because they have said here 2, isn't it? Then from here we need to take again 3 steps. From 2 we need to take 3 steps, 1, 2, 3. It will be getting here 5. Right? We'll check it by calculating here. 2 plus 3. How much we will get? We will get 5. Isn't it? Here also we are getting answer as 5 or not? Right? This is how we need to represent integers on the number line. Right? As I told, these two numbers are positive. So, the arrow mark will be facing on the right side. Next we will see minus 3 and plus 5. Right? Minus 3 means it is left. Minus means it will be left. From 0, we need to move 3 steps. So, 1, 2 and 3. Isn't it? In this direction we have moved. Then from there we need to move plus 5 steps. 1 step, 2, 3, this is 4 and this is 5. Right? We are pointing towards the 2 here. Isn't it? So we'll check it whether we'll get answer 2 or not by theoretically. Minus 3 plus of plus 5. Then plus 3, plus into plus, it will be plus 5. Right? Sorry, it is minus. Now, these two are having unlike signs, so we need to minus. 5 minus 3, it will be 2. Bigger number sign plus. Isn't it? We are getting plus 2 or not? Yes. This is how we need to represent integers on the number line. Addition of integers on the number line. We'll take one more example. Now, represent minus 3 and minus 5 on the number line. Minus, both are negative, right? So it will be left side now. When we need to see the numbers left side. Next, from 0, first it is minus 3. So we need to move from 0 plus 3 minus 3 steps. 1 step, 2 step, that is minus 3 step. Right? We moved here minus 3 steps. For minus 3, then plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Here they have said 5 step. First we need to move from 0 minus 3 steps. Then from 3 minus 3 we need to move minus 5 step. We are standing at the point minus 8. Isn't it? So we'll see then. We'll check it. Minus 3 plus of minus 5. Minus 3 plus into minus, minus 5. Having the same sign, we'll add them. 5 plus 3, it is 8. Bigger number sign, minus. Isn't it? We are getting here minus 8 or not? Right. This is the representation of numbers. That is integers on the number line. Next, we'll solve exercise 6.2. Using the number line, write the integer which is, first one, 3 more than 5. Means, here from 5, first we need to start from 5. Here they have said 3 more than 5 means we need to start from 5. This 5, from there 3 more. 3 more means we need to move right side from the 5. Right? More means we need to move rightwards from the point 5. 3 points we need to move. 1, 2, 3. Right? Here it will be 1, 2, 3. Right? We will be pointing towards 8. Right? So we'll write here the solution as 3 more than 5 is 8. Okay? Then B1 5 more than minus 5. First we need to start from minus 5. Minus 5 it is here, right? From minus 5 more than means we need to move in a right direction from a minus 5 in for 5 step. For 5 step from minus 5 we need to move in a right direction, isn't it? So from minus 5, 1 step, 2, 3, 4, 5 step I have moved. Right? in 5 step I have moved it. So I got, now I am at 0 here. So we'll write the solution as 5 more than minus 5 is 0. Okay. Similarly, C1. C6 less than 2. 6 less than, here more than means we moved in a right direction, right? Less than means we should come back in a left direction, isn't it? That from 2 we need to come back 6 steps. Okay, here I have extended the line. From 2 we need to come back 6 step. Why we need to come back 6 step? Because it is less than, so we need to come back 6 step back. 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? Here I came back 6 step. Now I am pointing towards minus 4. Now I am standing at the point minus 4. So we'll write the solution as 6 less than 2 is minus 4, right? More than means once again we need to move in a right direction from minus 5 steps. Then less than means from 2 we need to move in a left direction from a point 2 for a 6 steps. Okay, then we'll move for the D1. D3 less than minus 2. Okay, from minus 2 we need to move 3 steps back. Less than they have said, right? So we need to move in a left direction from point minus 2. 1 2 3 means now I am pointing, or I am standing at the point minus 5. Okay, so we'll write here 3 less than minus 2 is minus 5. Okay, this completes first main. Next we'll move for the second main. Use number line and add the following integers. Here using the number line we need to add these two numbers. Okay, so first we'll see, first we mark the point 9 from the 0. From 0 we need to move the steps 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, here we came from here, from 0 to here we are. Then again we need to move minus 6 step. Minus 6 step from the point 9. 1 step, 2 3 4 5 and 6, right? Here we need to move from 9 to 3, isn't it? Right, now we got what? Now we are at point 3. So we'll check it. 9, we'll keep 9 as it is, plus into minus, minus 6. If we minus these two numbers, we'll get 3 bigger numbers, and it is plus here, so it is plus. Are we here? Isn't it? Aren't we here? Yes. Now similarly the second one, B1. Again 5 plus minus 11. First we'll move 5 step from the 0. 1 2 3 4 5. We should here, we must come there from 0 to here. Then from 5 we need to move minus 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 here. Okay, so or it can mark here also. Right, we came back from 5, we came back to the 6. So you can verify it here again. 5 plus into minus, minus 11. If we minus 5 in 11, we will get what? 6 and bigger number sign, that is minus, isn't it? We are here. Okay, then C1. Here first we should move towards minus 1 from the point 0. Okay, 0 it is here. From 0 here it is minus, right? So we need to move minus 1 step, that is here. And again we need to move minus 7 step from minus 1. Minus 7 step from the minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is 7. Okay, we moved it here. So we are at this point, minus 8. We'll check it. Minus 1, we'll keep it as it is. Plus into minus, it is minus, then 7. These two having the same sign, so we'll add them. Bigger number sign, minus. Isn't it? We are here or not? Right? Yes. Then D1. First, from 0, we'll move minus 5 steps. From 0, minus 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? From 0, we need to move 5 steps. Then again, from 5, we need to move plus 10 steps. From 10 steps, plus 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we need to move. Means from minus 5 we have moved plus 10 steps. Then we are pointing towards 5. Isn't it? We'll check it. Minus 5 will keep it as it is. Then plus 10. Both having unlike signs, so we'll subtract. We'll get 5. Bigger number sign plus. Isn't it? It is plus or not? Yes. Then E1. Minus 1. From 0 we need to move minus 1 step. Here it is. This is minus 1, minus 2. Then again from minus 1 we need to move minus 2 steps. Minus 2 steps means here 1 step, 2 step. We need to move here. Okay. Then from again minus 2, again from this point we need to move minus 3 steps. From here we need to move again minus 3 steps. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3 means we will be here. Okay. Then we are now at minus 6. We'll check it once. This is minus 1. This is minus 2. This is minus 3. Right? And here also you can write. From here to here it is minus 5. From here to here it is plus 10. And here also from here to here 5. Again from here to here it is minus 11. Similarly, from here to here it is 9. From here to here, that is minus 6. Okay. Now we'll check it. Minus 1 will keep it as it is. Plus into minus, minus 2. Plus into minus, minus 3. These two having the same sign, will add 1 plus 2, 3. Bigger number sign, minus. Then minus 3. Having same sign, will add them. It is 6. Again minus. Isn't it? Minus 6 we got. Yes or no? F1. Last one in second main. Minus 2. From 0 we need to move minus 2. Then again from minus 2 we need to move plus 8. Plus 8 means rightwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here 8. So from minus 2 to we need to move here. This is plus 8. And again from plus 8 to minus 4. Minus 4 means again we need to come back. Okay. So minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we need to come back. Right, now we are at plus 2 point. Okay, we'll check it. Minus 2 plus 8 will keep, plus into minus, minus 4. Now these two having the same signs, so we'll add them. 4 plus 2, it is 6. Then bigger number sign, minus this plus 8. Then having different sign, will minus. 8 minus 6, it is 2. Bigger number sign, plus. Isn't it? Right? Okay. This completes second main. I hope the second main is clear for you all. Third main, add without using number line. Without using number line, we'll add them. So, solution 11 plus minus 7. We'll write 11 plus into minus, minus 7. So 11 minus 7, it will be 4. Bigger number sign, plus. Okay, then B1, minus 13 plus 18. We'll write minus 13 plus 18. Minus 13, we'll keep it as it is. Plus into plus, plus 18. So having different sign, will minus them. 8 minus 3, it will be 5, and 1 minus 1, it is 0. So if we minus 13 in 18, we will get 5. Bigger number sign, plus. Then C1, minus 10 plus of plus 19. Solution, minus 10 plus of plus 19. Minus 10, will keep it as it is. Plus into plus, plus 19. Right? Then having different sign, will minus them. 19 minus 10 is 9. Bigger number sign, plus. Then D1, minus 250 plus of plus 150. Solution, minus 250 plus of 150. Will minus, will keep minus 250 as it is. Plus into plus, plus 150. Having the different sign, right? So we'll minus it. We'll get as 100. Bigger number sign, minus. Then E1, minus 380 plus minus 270. Solution, minus 380 plus into minus, minus 270. Okay, now having same sign, so we need to add them. We'll add them it here. 380, 270. 0, 8 plus 7, 15, and 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 650. Bigger number sign, minus. Okay. Now F1, here minus 217 plus into bracket minus 100. First we'll write 217 as it is. Plus into minus, minus 100. So if we minus 100 in 217, we will get 100. We will get 100. Sorry, not 100. Sorry, we need to add these two numbers because they having the same sign, right? So we will get, we'll check it here, 217 plus 100. We will get 317 as the answer. 317 as the answer. Bigger number sign, minus. Right? This completes third main. We'll move for the fourth main. Find the sum of A 137 and minus 354. Sum means, as I told, we need to add these two numbers. So we'll begin the solution. 137 plus into bracket minus 354 will write. Okay, now we'll write 137 as it is, plus into minus, minus, then 354. If we minus these two numbers, we will get, we'll see it here, 354. We need to subtract because these two having a different sign, so 137. Now carry 1 7, 1, then 2, 217, bigger number sign, minus, right? B1 solution, minus 52, add, they have said, right? So plus, we'll add 52, isn't it? Next, these having different sign. If we minus 52 in 52, the remainder is 0. Okay, then this over B1. Then C1, minus 312, 39 and 192, right? Here they have given 3 integers, we need to add them. Solution, minus 312 plus 39 plus 192. Then we'll add, first we'll keep 312 as it is, we'll add these two because they're having the same sign. Okay, 9, we'll add it them here, 192 into 39, 11, then this is 9 1 10, 10 plus 3 13, then it is 2. We got here 231, bigger number sign, plus. Again we need to minus these two values because they having the different sign. So bigger number is 312. In this we'll minus 231, 1, then we'll get as 8, then we'll carry down, this is the 0. So we are getting here 81 as the answer, bigger number sign, minus. Okay, then D1, minus 50, minus 20, minus 200 and 300. Solution, minus 50 plus, into bracket, why I am using bracket, because here it is minus, so I have using bracket here, 200 plus, there is no minus sign, so we'll write it plus 300. Next we'll keep minus 50 as it is, plus into minus, minus 200 plus 300. Now these two having the same sign, so we'll add them, 50 plus 200, 250, and bigger number sign, minus, plus 300. Now if we minus 250 in 300, we will get answer as 50, bigger number sign, plus. Okay, so then fifth main, again find the sum. Again they have given here 4 integers. As I told, we can add so many integers. Here they have given 4 integers, right? 1 2 3 4. Now we will add these 4 integers. Solution, minus 7, will keep it as it is. Now plus into minus, minus 9, again we'll keep plus 4 plus 16. Now we'll see, we'll add these two values, 7 plus 9, it will be 16, minus 16 because bigger number sign. Then again these two having same sign, again we'll add these two numbers, we'll get 4 plus 16, it is 20, bigger number sign, plus. As will minus, these having the different signs now, so we'll get answer as 4, bigger number sign, plus. Okay, this is how we need to add 4 integers. Then B1, solution, 37 plus into minus, minus 2, plus into minus, minus 65, plus into minus, minus 8. right? So we'll keep 37 as it is. First we'll add these two numbers, then, or you can add these 2 and 8 because even these two have the same number. We'll add these two number and check. Minus 2 and minus 8, it is minus 10. Then minus 65, we'll keep it as it is. Then 37, we'll keep it as it is. We'll add these two numbers. Again they have the same sign. So it will be 75, bigger number sign, minus. In 75, we'll minus 35, we'll get 37, right? It will be 8. Again in 7, we'll minus 4, we'll get 3. We got answer as 38, bigger number sign, minus. This completes your exercise 6.2.